welcome back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this video. If you think you might want to watch some more of my videos, then join our little family. And yeah, hit the bell button too, because that will tell you when I upload a video. It's Makeup Monday, and every Monday I upload a video to do with makeup. This channel has become heavily involved with nails. I do a lot of nail videos on this channel. I'm becoming obsessed. But don't worry, because I'm still obsessed with makeup. I'm still loving the makeup, and there is always going to be a makeup video at least once a week, every Monday. And today's makeup video is going to be on the Lottie London Shimmer Squad. I feel like this is really, really late. Like, I am so late in making this video. And there's only so much I'm really going to be able to show you with, like, this. Because obviously I'm probably only going to be able to use one shade on my face. But looking at the shades, really, there's probably only maybe three of them would be usable. I feel like at this moment in time I'm not very dark, so maybe the white is going to be the best, but I'm going to actually try one of the other two, whichever I feel is the lightest. I'm thinking that top one. Which one was that? I don't even know which one it was. So I am actually going to try out these two top shades here on my face. But I obviously need to swatch them off. Oh my god. These are so cool, you guys. Oh my days. Okay. This is them all swatched. The white one's at the bottom, and then the medium one. Then the darkest one, and then it's so hard for me to like, and then it goes that one and then that one. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Queen Bee, which is this one. Oh, I'm liking that name. I'm gonna actually use that one on my cheeks and see how it looks. I'll probably go over the top of that with the white one. So I'm just like really excited. Actually, I really like the look of the white one. I feel like I could maybe even put that bronzy one over the top as well of my bronziness, but I have just done like a video on this bronziness, so I'm feeling like maybe I shouldn't do that. Let's just see what happens with the highlight. So I'm taking my regular Spectrum brush that I love so much, and really could do with a bit of a clean up, to be honest, this brush. I really need to clean my brushes, guys. It's hard work. It really is. So let's go in with this shit. Oh my god. Please don't be too dark. I'm just going in lightly because I'm not sure how dark it's going to come off. Ooh, I'm not sure if it's a bit too dark. Really lightly. This will be good for like those who are paler skinned, because you can get an idea. I have gone for a bit of a bronzy glowy look, so I just don't like it when you can see like lines of the highlight colour. Like, highlight's not supposed to be dark, it's supposed to be light. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've got that little bit of colour, I'm now going to go in with the white. Oh, seriously, these are so pigmented, it's insane. What the heck? Ah! Holy! Wow! Oh yes, this is like definitely got a thumbs up from me. If you're interested in Lottie London, I believe you can get it from Superdrug, and also Misguided. That's where I got mine from, misguided.com. And oh my god, thank you Lottie, thank you for this. You guys, at least not the new guys, but the regular subscriber people are aware that I like my highlight. I like things that shimmer and sparkle and glitter and all of that jazz, and I love this. I love this. So it knows. I did my highlight the other day and Greg was like, what's that on your nose? But there was too much colour in it. So yeah, I had to sort that out, but I am so chuffed with this highlight, guys. I'm not even joking. Oh, and there's a little mirror as well. Right, let me show you yourselves. Hey, there you are. So yeah, bit in love. I don't want to go over the top. I am going out. Nowhere special or anything like that, but I'm going out where people are going to be. And so I don't want to go too over the top. What the hell? Let's go over the top. I'm going to go in with the coloured one again. We're liking the shimmer squad, guys. We're liking it. I would go and put the rest of my makeup on and then come back, but I feel like for this one there's just not even any point. Like, what's the point? We love it. We love it. We actually love this product. Do you guys want to see the finished look of my makeup? Of course you do. So do you know what? Just because I love you guys that much, I'll be right back. Right guys, this is the finished result. I don't even need to say anything. You guys know that I am loving, I don't know what's going on with this piece of hair here. You guys know that I am loving this Lottie London Shimmer Squad. It's freaking awesome. I'm giving it probably like 10 out of 10. Really happy with the shade selection. There are some darker shades and some lighter shades which will work for everyone. And also when you're a bit tanned, when you're not tanned, all of that jazz. It's still shining, it's still glowing. That's all there is to say about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. What are you doing? Hit the subscribe button now and the bell button also if you haven't already done that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!